Now, on to the volatility indices analysis for this week. I would purposely be able to focus on a couple of setups. That is the V50, the V25-1S, the V75, the V51S. I think that is all I can see in terms of the setups for this week. Let's begin with the V50. For V50, guys, the market has been on a very bearish setup for the last 2 or so weeks, and we are sitting on an extremely critical support area. And from here, this gives us an opportunity of a bigger risk to reward of 1 to 20 and above, that by entering the market where we are right now, then our immediate target in terms of take profit is on the red box shaded as above, which represents the 245, around the 245 area. So that is our immediate blue box. So this is a perfect trade that you can actually take, hold and swing. You can swing this trade. It can take you a couple of days until you get to there. So this is a perfect setup this week for a buy. Next is the V25-1S. The same thing. As you can see from the weekly analysis, we have been on an aggressive squeeze of the market for several weeks, and now we are finally testing the bottom of this channel. Price is still moving on this channel. So the best we can do is to wait for price to at least, as you can see from this weekly candle, to at least come and retest the previous lower lows marked with 360, 356 area, out of which we can be able to take a buy that we can swing and to retest the previous highs marked by 451, 426 area. So this is also a perfect buy, but let's wait for price first of all to come and retest this 360, 356 area before we buy. Next is V75. This has been a very crazy, very crazy setup. From the weekly analysis, we had initially indicated that when price comes to this particular level, as highlighted in this red box, let me just mark it. We actually took a buy at 620, 361, and immediately we took it. We were expecting this thing to give us something like this, that would eventually take us up and up and up. But it was so unfortunate because we had a break on market structure. I exited on that trade to patiently monitor what it's doing, and now we are having a very interesting setup forming. Remember, it is for the first time that it has broken this ascending channel represented by this trend line for several months. Actually, since 2019, this market has been on a bullish trend. But now we broke that, and for the last couple of 2-3 weeks, we are breaking and going to the downside. So how do we look at it? For now, the immediate look and focus for this one is to wait for this price to come and retest the 497,770 area marked by this red box, out of which you can be able to see how the market behaves. But from here, I'll be able to take a bullish a buy setup that can at least caution with very minimum risk. This buy, you can swing it at least to retest the previous break of the weekly market structure represented by the previous lows at around 721, 632 area. So this is a good trade, but it needs patience. We need to at least see how price behaves this week. But as soon as we get to this 489, 770 area, that's a perfect setup to buy. V51S, this is one of my best trades for the last couple of weeks. We are riding and going and going. Guys, from here, the immediate next take profit area as a swing is marked by this red box up here, which is at 70, 30, 73 area. How did I arrive at that? Price has to exactly cover the same wavelength it covered here, and that is what we are beginning to see forming to the upside. So how about this trade? How do you enter? First of all, if you do not have it as a swing, and as part of your setups, it is definitely very, very late for you to jump in. So what do? Expect these. Let's patiently monitor these and see the candle that will give us a retracement into the new week, or into even this week, as we continue with this week, like on the daily. Now, like today, I definitely expect today's candle to at least come to the 539 750 area first before any other thing. It's a very, very strong bullish setup, and the momentum is just going and going and going. So we have to wait for a retracement, at least, if possible, a retracement that will look something like this. Let me just show you a retracement that will look something like this. A retracement that will first cover that, and then after that, let me show you a retracement that will look something like this. We come to retest somewhere thereabout, out of which from there you can be able to have this further move to the upside. So let's be very careful. This is the move I'm waiting. This is the move I'm waiting. If I was to add extra positions into this trade, this is the move that I am waiting. And then now this can take us all the way back up, as indicated, to this area. Are we together, guys? Perfect. Those are the most critical setups for this week. Unless you have any question, if you have any comment, kindly drop it on the comment section, and I will be able to get back in touch and guide or advise. Number two, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly promote your guy. You guy, my guy, promote your guy. Why? Because at the end of the day, when you subscribe, then any videos we publish, YouTube will be able to update you with the latest updates on our market analysis. We have fantastic shorts that give you a broad range of financial advice and trading advice. Kindly subscribe, check out the shorts, check out our analysis, and we will be glad that you'd have supported us even as we support you. For those ones who want to learn more about trading, kindly drop us a comment in the comment section or in one of our social media handles as per the description of this video, and I'll be glad, me and my team to get back to you. Then we can take you through our package for educational and training for you to become a better trader. Otherwise, thank you guys, have a great week and good luck trading. Cheers.